Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss how to create item fulfillment CSV file in NetSuite. Here we have a sample sales order that we want to fulfill. You can see that its status is currently set to pending fulfillment. This is the item we'll be fulfilling. It has a total quantity of 10 units. Out of those, 6 units have already been picked and are ready for fulfillment. Let's take note of the item's internal ID and the sales order's internal ID, as we'll be using these values in the CSV file for the fulfillment import process. For the CSV file, I've included the following fields for mapping of item fulfillment import: created from, date, posting period, status, item ID, order line, quantity, and external ID. Notice that we've included the ID of the sales order in the created from field and the ID of the item in the item ID field. We'll now proceed with the CSV import of the item fulfillment. Although I've previously created a mapping for this process, I'll walk you through the entire import process step by step to ensure everything is clear. In the Import Assistant, start by setting the following: import type, select transactions, record, type, choose item fulfillment. Next, upload the CSV file we created earlier that contains the fulfillment details. Since we're uploading a new item fulfillment, select Add as the import mode, then click Next to proceed. On the field mapping page, make sure that all column fields from your CSV file are correctly mapped to their corresponding NetSuite fields. You may want to save this mapping for future imports to streamline the process. For the created from and item ID fields, make sure to set the reference type to internal ID. Add an import name and click Save and Run. To check the status of your import, just click the Import Job Status link. We can see that the item fulfillment was successfully imported. In the sales order, you'll notice that the picked quantity has been updated to 7, reflecting the newly fulfilled item quantity from the import. As a result of the CSV import, a new item fulfillment record was successfully created and is now linked to the sales order. This confirms that the import process worked as intended, updating the picked quantity and generating a new fulfillment transaction in NetSuite. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.